manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger bananou, manger bananou.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Slay, and I'm back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure to hit that bell button so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review on this hair that was sent to me from an Amazon company. They are called Original Queen. Alright, it is their 100% human hair wig, and I have the unit on right now. Don't you worry if you want to know how I installed this unit. Just watch the video on through. I will be inserting a clip of how I installed, like from start to finish and all of that, okay? So yeah, just a few things I do have to say about this unit before we go ahead and jump into the review. So with the packaging, it's like a cute little box. It comes with a stocking cap. They give you 2 pieces of stocking caps, and I think it's awesome. Like, you can never have enough stocking caps, especially if you're someone who wears wigs pretty often. So I love that about that. I didn't receive any type of shedding with this unit. Like, it's so soft, and they're 100% chemical free, so there's no smell like whatsoever with this unit. Like, not whatsoever, but you know, like when you first take your wig out of the packaging, sometimes it has like a strong fishy smell and you feel like you need to wash it. Well, I didn't get that at all with this unit. Like, it's super sleek, bone straight. You don't even have to straighten it. The only reason why I applied heat, honestly, was just to kind of flatten this down up here. But other than that, like, you really don't need to apply heat to the unit. So like, as you guys can see, now the density is 150% density. It is 20 inches. Y'all need to go ahead and cop this unit. Why? Because it is a human hair wig, number 1, and number 2, it's under $100. This unit retails for $98.88. I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. Like, why not? If you're someone who loves human hair, like, this is your wig, honey. So it is available in other inches as well. So they have it starts off at 10 inches, 12 inches, 14 inches, 16 inches, 18, 20 inches is what I have it in, which is $98.88. So the higher it goes, the more, you know, like the price is going to be. So 22 inches and 24 inches is the longest that this unit does come in. Now the shipping was super fast. Like, I did receive this hair pretty fast when they sent it to me. Now the human hair color, it is a jet black color, but it kind of looks a little natural to me. Like, it doesn't look like super black, but I'm loving it. I'm digging it. Like, y'all, I cannot get over the texture and how soft it is. It feels so amazing. So like I said, no shedding, no snags, none of that. Like, sis, if you like human hair, sis, you need to go ahead and get this one right here, okay? So yeah, that is basically all that I have to say about this unit. I didn't wash it or, you know, do anything like that, but you guys will see in the review, like in the clip that I insert, of how I installed this unit from start to finish. But yeah, this is gonna be my go-to wig for the rest of the week. Also, I did use the lace wig bond lace wig glue to apply this unit, so this is going to be on my hair for maybe a few days, I think. Like, it's really like sis, like, I'm going to sleep with this. I normally don't go to sleep with my units, but I'm going to sleep with this. I'm not gonna do this over tomorrow. Like, it's just not happening, okay? And it kind of smells like Elmer's glue. Like, that glue, it kind of smells like Elmer's glue, but it does come with like a lace bond wig remover as well. All right, so if you need to remove it, and this smells really strong, so be careful when you're using this. Like, it smells really strong. Like, I started to cough because I wasn't expecting that, and I don't really use that. So yeah, your girl was coughing and I was just like I'm gonna die, okay? Basically is what it felt like. But yeah, y'all, so that is all that I have to say about this unit and this review. Again, please stay till the end of the video, watch it through so you see how I installed, if you guys are new to this. And it is beginner friendly, so super easy. If I can do it, you can do it, sis, trust me. All right, so yeah, I do want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I want to thank you guys so much for for tuning in. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
My sexy love, say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see it? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down. 'Cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go faster, like controller, controller, yeah, like controller, controller. My sexy love, say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see it? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down. 'Cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go faster, like controller, controller, yeah, like controller, controller. My sexy love, say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see it? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute he wishing. We sippin', I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down. 'Cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller. Controller, yeah, like controller, controller.